Hello, good morning. It's Tuesday morning today. It's a school holiday of the kids, so we're going for a joyride. Just for today, we're going to Guatemala Beach, and then look out, and then probably going to Illawarra Blue Hole this afternoon. So right now we're just chilling up, driving. Gandang daan dito. Ano din pala dito, no? There's a small park. Parang ano lang.
Stop over.
Parang park. Parang ano lang, getaway. So we've arrived here now in Guatemala Beach. We're just here in the car park right now. So we're just preparing to just go around. Come on. That's a nice place. Ang ganda dito. Oo. Dito tayo. Ganda ng ano dito. This is the Guatemala Falls. Medyo ano naman siya. Tignan natin. Lakad lang tayo konti. Oh. Yan. Mabasa yung ano mo, ha. So may picnic area pala dito. It's a very nice place. Medyo makulim din naman. Bababa tayo sa beach. Wala nga. Wala naman tao talaga. Oo. Ano lang.
It's so hard using my bike.
Medyo basa. Amel, dahan-dahan ka lang kasi ano, oh. Medyo basa eh. Oh. Ay, ano ngayon? Sirado. Nakasara. Oh. Ay, ayun, ang ganda. Medyo malayo lang. Oh, sarado ito eh. Medyo makulim din na. Ilang.
Good.
Ano lang siya, more on parang ano, parang park lang ba? Oo. Ito kasi dapat naka ano siya, dapat nakadugtong doon sa dulo para mapuntahan yung ano, yung side doon. Wala eh, hindi ko alam bakit sarado dito. Oo. So ang ganda nung ano, hindi lang ma-zoom. Hindi pa lang siya ma-zoom. Ang ganda. Dito tayo banda sa may falls. Ay? Oh, dahan-dahan lang. So yeah, after Guatemala Beach, we're going now to Bald Hill Lookout. It's just a place before Wollongong. So that's a really nice lookout. At saka marami ding lookout dito. Meron na namang lookout. And it's really nice. So dito tayo banda sa medyo maganda. So yeah, this is the Bald Hill Lookout. Really nice, man.
Wait, I've been there with George.
No, not in this place.
Turn right, then slide right.
Sandali lang ha.
Slide right, then your destination will be on the left.
Parang natin to. Ang daming tao dito ngayon. So this is the Bald Hill Lookout. Yung banda doon, ano na yan? I think that's Wollongong. Yung sasakyan namin. So nandito kami ngayon sa Bald Hill Lookout. Ito, malapit lang din sa Wollongong, City of Wollongong. Ito yung ex-girlfriend.
Yeah. He left his first girlfriend because of the
Ex-wife.
yeah.
Medyo lang, maaling araw, nandun yung araw eh. Okay, we're leaving the Bald Hill look out, and then we're gonna probably proceed to see the
To go home.
Nanchan Temple.
Ooh.
Who farted?
Nobody farted.
Sa video.
This is a nice beach.
Parang Bondi Beach na.
Tokyo.
So we are now here. We are now here in Nantian Temple. It's a Buddhist temple somewhere in Wollongong. So tignan natin kung park tayo banda dito. Dahan-dahan po tayo. So we are now here in the temple itself. Hindi ka. This is the Nantian Buddhist temple. Here.
This is not food.
Yeah. Yeah, we are allowed. Amerika dito.
Oh wait, no, don't. Hold on.
Chinese bar. So the bar is Chinese.
It's okay to take photo here. So this is the look at that. Nice.
That's something that funny.
Little tea shop, gift shop. Sigma.
Dragons yan.
You look
Security.
You shut up.
So our last stop for today would be the Kiama Blow Hole. Last stop natin. Pagod na. Hindi lang doon tayo sa dulo.
Turn left onto Fluffhole Point Road.
Doon tayo mag-park sa sa taas. Kung merong available. Hindi naman siguro.
500 meters. Continue straight.
Medyo ano pala ng parkingan, doon tayo sa ano. Dito. Ay. Ayan, meron. Dito. Ha? Ah, dito na. Hey, ano eh. Ano yata, dito tayo para walang ano. Ang ganda ng panahon
Head
ngayon.
north on Blowhole Point Road.
Dito lang ako ah. Nandun na ito eh.
Head southwest towards Blowhole Point Road.
So, nandito na tayo sa ano, Kiama Blue Hole. Ikot ko lang. So this is the Kiama Blue Hole in southwest of Musot. So tignan natin dito kung mayroong ano. Hindi masyadong malakas yung ano eh, yung alon, kaya usually dito yan eh, kung ano lang, hindi masyado dito, yan yung blue hole, kaya lang oh, look at that.
How does that work?
Tignan mo lang.
May try rồi. Cảm chặt. Vâng, try rồi. Hay try rồi tam năng máu nó bàn tắc vừa lố. Nó dưới cùng một nó sủa đấy.
Iya. I will extend this one para makita ano yung doon yung ano, yung blowhole.
See the water.
Dito yung ano. Dito tayo sa taas ng ano, bato. Bato. Ganda ng view dito. Dahan-dahan lang kaya.